Hello, James here with Team Coverlay. Today we're here with Patrick. He brought in his Trans Am and we're going to hear about his car.
James, I've had this car since I was in college, and I always wanted a race car. And after partnering with the guys over at Excessive Motorsports and the Texas Speed Performance built the engine, we had it installed over at Excessive, and then from then it's just kind of been a dream to get it up into full race car status.
Nice.
But you know, there's a few things on my checklist to go down, and the dashboard is definitely getting really bad, so I wanted to get that taken care of.
That's great. Well, and you told me that your daughters are looking forward to some trips to school in the race car.
Absolutely. She told me yesterday that her friends don't believe Daddy has a race car, so we're gonna have to fix that.
All right, great. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll show you some more on this car when we add the dash cover to it.
Hey, welcome back to Team Coverlay. We're going to show you the install video for this dash cover that's an 18702, and it fits the 1997 through 2002 Chevy Camaro and Pontiac Firebird and Trans Am. So thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy the install video. Our first step is to test fit the dash cover onto the dashboard. Next, we will clean the dashboard with an ammonia-based cleaner such as Windex. And then we'll clean the back side of the dashboard cover with the same ammonia-based cleaner. Now it's time to apply the silicone adhesive that we provide with our dashboard cover. Apply as shown in the video and on the instructions, coming in about 1 inch from the edge, and then applying a bead all around the perimeter and around all openings. Now we can install the dashboard cover onto the dashboard. This is a good time to have a helper to help you place it on the dashboard, and then press down firmly and put in place. Now we will tape the Coverlay dashboard cover to the dashboard using painter's tape. Once we secure it with the painter's tape, we will put heavily weighted objects such as sandbags or books or other heavy objects you might have to help hold the dashboard cover onto the dashboard. After about 8 hours, remove the tape and the weights, and your dashboard is ready.
That's incredible.
We'd like to thank Patrick for letting us shoot this video with his car and using Coverlay dash covers. Come visit us at our website, www.coverlaymfg.com.